Today we are going to learn partial function. Now let's get started. Partial function is used to split passing arguments to the function. Here you can see I have created a print abcd function. I want to pass some of the arguments in line number 10 and the remaining arguments in line number 14. For that, what I need to do is I need to import partial from functool built-in function, because that's provide us that partial function. Once it is been imported, what we need to do is we need to create an object. I'm going to call it as ob. Then I'm going to use this partial function. Here I'm going to pass my function which I want to call. Then I'm going to pass the argument which I want to pass in this line. I want to pass 10 and 20, and after some time I want to pass the remaining arguments like C and D. On that case I can use this object OB. I'm going to pass the remaining arguments 30 and 40, that is for C and D. If I try to run my code, I will see 10, 20, 30 and 40 in the terminal. Let me show that to you. We'll see 10, 20, 30, 40. Thanks for watching.